Hello everyone, Professor Lohit here. Today we will see the lecture number 12, that is problem on CBR. So here is the question. The load penetration value of CBR test conducted on a two sample specimens of a particular soil are given below. So these are the two specimen 1 and specimen 2. These are two different soils. Determine the average CBR value of soil if 100 division of load dial represents 190 kg load. Okay, they given you 100 divisions of the load dial gauge represents 190 kg load in a calibration chart of the proving ring. So here is a table. So these are the penetration values in mm and these are the load dial readings. You can keep load dial readings or you can convert into the load. As they given you the 100 divisions for 190 kg, you can convert it, or first to draw the chart according to the specimen, then you can convert it later for only the 2.5 mm penetration. Is it clear? So first we solve with the first problem. In this we have the two problems, one is specimen 1 and one is specimen 2. So first concentrate only on the specimen 1. So these are the penetration value and these are the load dial gauging. For 0 it is, for 0.5 mm penetration dial gauge reading is 8, 1 15, 1.5 to 23. So it goes on up to the 12.5 mm penetration and the last dial gauge reading is 67. For this, take the graph paper, on x axis draw the penetration plungers in mm, like 0 1 2, you do the graph and point out this all marks with the dial gauge readings with respect to penetrations. So if you draw the graph, you are going to get the graph like this. Okay, so I drawn here penetration in mm 0 1 2 3 4 5 unto the 12.5. for 0, so the penetration is 0, so I kept here. For next part 0.5 it's going to be 8, for next is 1 it's going to be 15. So in that way I plotted this graph. So later when you plot this graph for 2.5 mm, okay, there are two standard values in CBR. One is 2.5, one more is 5 mm. For 2.5 I check the graph, I am going to get 33 as a load dial gauge, and for 5 mm I am going to get as a 48 mm. So hence the given in the what question, the load at 2.5 mm penetration, we got it as, for 2.5 mm we got it as 33. So they given the question as 100 divisions for 190 kg, so I can convert that. So these are 33 division. For one division how much it is going to be? 190 divided by 100. I get it for one division. So it's going to be, if I calculate, it's going to be 62.7 kg. So for this, the CBR value at 2.5 mm is 62.7 divided, what's the standard here? Standard for 2.5 is, for crushed stone is 1370. So this is going to be multiplied by 100. This is going to be 4.6%. Same way I have to calculate for the CBR value at 5 mm. That is going to be, how much you got here? 48. So I has to convert it first. 48 into 190 divided by 100, that gives me for one dial reading how much the load is. So that will be around, that is be around 190 divided by 100 into 48, that will be around 91.2 kg. that is CBR value for that is going to be 91.2 divided by, for this standard value is 2055 into 100, that gives you around 4.4%. Okay, so here you can see that 2 value is always greater than the 5 mm penetration. Clear? Same thing for the second specimen now. So same penetration values we have until 12.5 mm. For this, the specimen value reading changes. So when you plot it on a graph, it comes around this. We have initial concavity upward here. This might be the reason for the whatever the surface of the specimen might be too smooth, or whatever the penetration is not perfectly perpendicular to the or vertical to the soil surface. Okay, or the soil surface might be have undulated. This might be result for having this initial convexity. So to reduce that, what you do for that, wherever you have the contact, draw the tangent there. So if I draw the properly, then this is the how the graph supposed to be. Now I have to do the correction for this. How the correction I going to draw the tangent here. If I draw the tangent here, so from this point, if you draw the exactly, this is will be 0, right? Now for this, a value will be changes now. So penetration value will be here. From this point you start 0 now. इधर से क्या 0 start करना है. So this will be the 0 now. For next from 10 digit will be here ना, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It goes out until 12.5. Clear? From this point for 2.5 इधर कब होता है अभी? इधर नहीं होता अभी इधर से होता है. From here it will be the 2.5. Okay, if I take the 2.5 and it cuts somewhere here. Okay, it's cut somewhere here. Okay, it might be somewhere around 32. Okay, the 5 mm will be here now. This is 6, this is the 5 mm will be here. Okay, for 5 mm it will be you draw it properly on a graph sheets. Okay, check the values, that will be around somewhere 46.5 or 47. These will be my readings. So CBR value at 2.5 mm, 2.5 is 32 na, 32, okay, into 190 divided by 100, that gives me the load for single. Okay, so if I divide it again here only I will do it. So if I divide for 1370 and again multiplier for 100 to get the percentage, that will get around 4.4%. and for CBR value at 5 mm it will be 46.5 into 190 into 100 divided by 100 into for 2055, that will be around 4.3%. So average of this gives you the CBR value around 4.4%. Yeah, this is how you have to solve the problem. So have a graph sheet and plot it properly. Okay, I'll stop here. Thank you for your patience hearing.